What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel with another video. Today we had a new project, 2015 Ford Fiesta. Ford Fiesta. What's going on with the Ford Fiesta? That's the third Ford Fiesta we're working on. So we just added this new baby. Alright, early in the morning. My third Ford Fiesta for this year is here, so hopefully it's a good one. Mirror need to be replaced, bumper and maneuver thing, but let me stop here and help him out. So the car starts, so let's see. Okay. All right. Wait. Yeah, go. Keep going. All right. And the new tire. A new windshield. That's crazy. Alright, let's stop the video here. One thing I can say, the car is extremely dirty. That's extremely dirty. So the first thing that we need to do is clean the cars up, because this thing is filthy. I'm glad that I have all the bumper parts, but this car is filthy, literally filthy. Okay, so everything needs to be clean. Okay, and then that's, yeah. So what's going on with this Ford Fiesta? It start, you run and drive like you guys saw it. Okay, so I will just take you through the process, let you know what's going on, and we're gonna do a cleaning. Today's videos is only cleaning because it's dirty. I will show you. Okay, so you see the bio here. When you see bio here, you better wait for the worst. All right. So as you see in the video, the main damage is this side, so we're going to try to address it as soon as possible, but let me take you inside. Okay, so it's dirty, it stink, really stink. All right, that's the front. Is really stink. The car stink really bad. So that's the interior. So I will be cleaning, taking stuff. I don't have a vacuum here, so the airbag need to be replaced. I already have this front airbag. I need the knee airbag, so that's what I'm going to work on it. But so far today, I put my gloves on and clean everything because it's dirty, extremely dirty. Just with light cleaning. Okay, so we see some scuff, but we don't worry about that. All right, the tire need to be replaced. We need a new hood. All right. I tied this one up. Okay. We also need a new side view mirror. This side is okay. We will need a new bumper, a new driver headlight. I don't know if the suspension is still good or the tire rod hand, everything over there under the car. I will give, another inspection in another day. Okay, so let me take you through the engine. All right, so we open the hood. So far, the hood already need to be replaced. Yeah, the bumper support need to be replaced. I have another bumper support, but I don't think I can weld this bumper support, so it's better to order a new one, or I will just go to the junkyard. So I need a bumper support, I need a front bumper, and also I will need this one, the reinforcement bar. So I will have to order it. Okay, I will have to order it. Headlight, the battery is corroded, so I will need to clean this one up, and I will need to replace this box. It's cracked here, need to be replaced. And what else? I will need to do an oil change, because I don't know if the car is dirty like that. That means they probably never did the oil change. I don't know about it, so it's always safe to do an oil change. So I will do an oil change, and this one was connected down there, so I would need to replace and connect everything as it was. When I finish that, I will also clean, wash the whole car, the interior. I will take you to a full detailing process. Okay, that would be a nice project that you guys need to watch during the hand. Okay, all right, so without further ado, all right, so we're going to start cleaning the interior. Not a deep cleaning, I'm just gonna pick stuff from it and throw it away. All right, let's get it. Extremely dirty. I never see a dirty car like that. Oh my god. So we're getting there. I'm trying to do my best to finish this one, but it's extremely dirty. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the finished results, because we almost done. All right, let's go. All right, I think we did our best. It's still dirty. This car is nasty. Okay, but we did our best. So I need to vacuum it. So I will take it to a car wash and vacuum it, because I don't have a vacuum here. That's the dirtiest car I've ever seen. So I need some fresh air. I'm outside, but this car stink. But we're still gonna clean it, okay? But yeah, since I'm already here, I will replace this tire. So I will not feel like I waste my time today. So just gonna replace the tire, and then we cut this airbag off, or try to remove it. I don't have all my tool here today. I left it in my overcar, but I will first remove the tire. Okay, I will first remove the tire and see what we can do. All right, so let's get it. All right, so the tire is off. I will give a quick inspection. Tire road head look okay. This one look a little bit bent. I don't know. I will need to check the overside to see. Everything look okay for me. Yeah, suspension is rusty, but definitely look okay. So we have no major issue. So we can move forward. Brake pad we need to be replaced. Brake pad, the rotor is rusty. I think we need to be replaced too. But let me check. No oil leak. You all look clean. Yeah, it's not bad. So let's put the donut on it so we can drive around with it. Alright, we put everything back together. So tomorrow I will go to the junkyard and get anything that I need here to start with this job. Yeah, I think I should be able to finish early, but most important will be to pull this side. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. For the bumper, it's not a big deal. I might have to order a new bumper, or I might need to try something. For the hood too, and I'm debating if I should get a hood tomorrow. I think I'm just going to wait for a little bit for the hood. Okay, just going to wait for a little bit for the hood, so I'm not rushing on buying parts. Because the black eye is done. For this one, I need to replace the suspension, so we need to order a suspension. I don't know if I need to get a brand new one or a used one. I'm still thinking about it. Yeah, I might order a brand new one, a brand new suspension. So other than that, everything is okay. The car drive good. Yeah, I have a few things that need to be replaced, but they're not really big deal. So we're getting there. Anyway, all right, let me pack everything up so we can go home. All right, we're ready to stop the video here. So this guy is dirty. But what I like, I would not have to deal with a lot of painting and stuff. So yeah. So we're done for today. Okay, I think we did a good job. So tomorrow I'll be working in the front one. Normally it's the one-day job, to be honest, to replace all this. It's not a major issue where you have to replace everything, but this time is supposed to be an easy job, easy process. So yeah, I'll stop the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, the like button, and see you next time. Peace.